Further evidence that the much-awaited Nike SB/AF1 crossover will take place comes from the Nike SB Air Force, one being sighted in an upcoming light Orewood brown colorway. What started out as a covert wear test has evolved into a full-fledged project. The forthcoming colorway will feature soft pink foam for the heel tab and outsole branding, as well as premium suede uppers in light Orewood brown. Classic gum bottoms with a creamy white midsole. This sneaker gives you a subtle, retro skate shop vibe from the 1990s. The shoe's performance-focused design substitutes SB-specific features, such as a bigger tongue, extra-wide laces, and more padding around the collar for a board feel and comfort that skaters will love. For the classic AF1 aspects, Nike SB can successfully reinvent Nike classics with skaters in mind, as demonstrated by this hybrid approach.